Welcome to another wonderful episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. We're at a homeless shelter, just giving back to the community. Trimming toenails, trimming calluses, trying to get people back on their feet. Without further ado, let's present the case here. Young patient.
I'm not that young.
Not that young?
I'm 68 years old. That's not young.
That's not young?
Mm-hmm.
I'm 44.
Oh, you got a long way to go.
Yeah? We'll go ahead and start trimming the toenails, shall we?
Ow! That hurt.
Sorry.
I told you.
You want to do that to me?
That hurts.
That hurts? We'll be very careful. Let's see if we can get this done here.
Okay.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you been here?
About 2 weeks. About 2 weeks.
2 weeks? How's it going?
Crazy.
Sounds like my office.
Uh-huh.
Sounds like my office. You from around here?
No. I'm from St. Croix, United States, Virgin Islands.
Ooh, I've been there many times.
Oh.
I was born and raised San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Okay, so you're close.
We're close.
Yeah.
Same vicinity, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Right? You know, you're laughing. You know I'm right. Yeah, man.
Oh, God. You make me laugh, no?
That's great.
Ay,
Does that bring back good memories?
yeah.
Yeah? What did you do there?
Yeah, man.
Medicine. Laughter is the best medicine, right? What did you do there in St. Croix?
I worked in a bank. I was a school teacher.
Wow.
And stuff like that. Then I come here and got homeless.
You came here and got home. Well, why'd you come here?
My sister.
To take care of her?
No, she sent me here.
Oh, she sent you from there here? If things were so good there,
She
why?
didn't want me getting no problem.
Over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did it work?
Yeah, to a certain extent.
I'm sorry?
To a certain extent.
To a certain extent, yeah. I'm gonna excuse me, I'm gonna be coming here more often so I can always trim your toenails.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about that, right? Any family here?
Yeah. A niece
Okay.
and sisters.
So that's a good thing, right? Have you been back to St. Croix lately?
No.
Do you want to go back?
No.
No.
I don't want no problem.
You don't want no problem. Yeah, I gotcha, you know.
Ow.
They're very thick. Man. If I continue to say that, we can't have a conversation.
Oh, good.
Yeah. I'm leaving here with a lot of these nails on my head.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to definitely wash my hair today. much longer are you going to be here in the
It's
shelter?
6 months.
6 months? 6-month program?
Mm-hmm.
It's a great place,
That's what
though.
I said. It's 6 months. But they keep you over. They keep you over. I don't understand. They keep you over.
But you're happy that you're here, right?
Yeah.
Could be a lot worse.
Better than being out there.
Absolutely, I agree. There's air conditioning here. It's clean. It's nice. And you have food,
Yeah.
right?
But not good food.
But it's food,
Yeah, but not good.
but not good. No man. Now it's yaman, no man. Okay, well, we really appreciate your time. Thank you for being such great company. We really
Yeah.
appreciate it.